is not the end. Effect and means effort never dies. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning and means not the end. It means effort never dies. If you get no answer, remember no means next opportunity. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. No one is permanent in life. Everyone comes for a particular period of time. So enjoy that phase of life and move on. Two things bring happiness and success in life. The way you manage when you have nothing and the way you behave when you have everything. Sometimes you will never know the true value of a movement until it becomes a memory. Fake people have an image to maintain. Real people just don't care. If an egg is broken by an outside force, life ends. If broken by an inside force, life begins. Great things always begin from inside. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment of your life. Don't read success stories. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. You will never be brave if you don't get hurt. You will never learn if you don't make mistakes. You will never be successful if you don't encounter failure.